Hi, so today I got Happy Mail. Let me tell you a little backstory. I went ahead and ordered one of the this is from Graphic45. I went ahead and ordered one of the sale craft things, their card group that we join, and I really liked it. I don't like to get into a years long thing unless I'm sure I'm going to enjoy it. So I usually either gift myself one or I just buy one and then see how I like it. But I really enjoyed the Graphic45 card group kit. So my husband went ahead and let me join this, and this is my first one that has come as a kit other than the first one that I bought as a sale kit. So I'm going to share it with you in hopes that maybe you'll get a little bit happy with the Graphic45 and see what all's in it and see what you can do with it. So I did open it just to make sure that everything was in there. There's a shipping box, paper, but then it comes with a nice little bag, and I really like these bags. They're the one that came before. They close, you can zip them close, and they're just big enough to hold this kit, so that makes it nice if you want to, like if you're going somewhere and you want to work on it, for example getting together with some friends at a coffee shop and you're going to work on it, or the library. Makes it really nice to carry just the things that you need in here. So that's just kind of a neat little bag that they send you. The next thing they send you, of course, is the instructions on how to make the cards. Now, they have not only the card kit, but they also have a bigger kit, and they make albums. They make different things, a lot of albums, but that's pretty too, and that usually comes with the 12x12 paper. This one comes with the 8x8 paper pack. And I don't know if you can see some of the papers that are in here. They're just gorgeous. And they're in a smaller scale. The 12x12 is exactly like this, except it's in a 12x12 size. So they've scaled everything down to an 8x8 size, which is really kind of cool. Lots of papers in this. The other thing I got with this one is I have 6 cards that are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And 6 envelopes to mail them. And what's really cool is, not just recently I got some ink pens. They're glitter ink pens, and so they will write really nicely. Unless you want to type or print out addresses on those white mailing things, you know, labels, you can do that too. But I'm really excited about those pens too, the metallic pens. They look really pretty on black or dark burgundy. I did dark burgundy Christmas cards with the last kit I got. So there's those. And then I was so impressed with these metal brads. I'm going to hold them up just a little bit. I don't know if the light, but they're designs on top of them, and they're so pretty, and they've got nice big backs for when you open them. But I was just really impressed with these metal brads. There's 10 of them. There's 5 of one style and 5 of another, so you get 10 altogether. But I thought that was really neat. And then the artist trading tags, because that's what's going to be used to make the Valentine cards this month. So there are 12 pieces in here. You'll always get this little metal circle that you can clip them together if you want to make a booklet out of them, but that's pretty neat too. So I'm going to go ahead, not today, but I would like to make a video with you and show you what I do with these to make my cards, and hopefully you'll enjoy some of Graphic45. It took me a while to get into Graphic45. First of all, I really like papers that I can print, and so I do. I have a lot of papers that I can print, and we got a very nice EcoTank printer. But after I checked these out, I thought, oh, this is really pretty too. And they come up with some beautiful pictures. Some of the papers are just beautiful. The kits they put together are nicely coordinated and put together. So I thought, I really would like to try doing this too. I'm not going to give up on my digital papers. I love printing digital papers, and I can do a lot with them. But okay, then one of the times that we go ahead and do a card, I will be using this card kit to make it. And yeah, please go check out Graphic45. Their papers, their products are very pretty. Before I go, let me show you this. we did, some of their things go out of stock, and we did their shadow window box in February. This is coming, no, January, sorry, this is coming out. January, February, I can't remember now. I have it scheduled. We're going to do this, and we're also going to make the book. Now, the book is all completely made, but in their kit, when they send this, the box is already, the black box is already in there, but they're out of stock now, so I went ahead and figured out how to make the box. But there's a lot of things like this and that you can do with Graphic45 paper. So I hope you go check them out. If you like them, great. If you don't, that's fine too. It's nothing to me except that I just push on some information. And I hope you've enjoyed this. It's just a little taste of one of my goodies. And I will see you next time when we do some crafting. Okay, bye.